This is a IEM most of us are not aware of. This is oral definition from Philippines. This is the Pro 5. They have a couple of IEM reviewed by Headphonics or Headphonia, I believe. They are Kairos. I'm not exactly able to make the right pronunciation, but you can find a couple of reviews, but not of the Pro 5. I believe they have sent their units to the reviewers as far as they told me, but this is particularly for two purpose, not bought or anything, but that's perfectly fine. This is an 5BA driver IEM. That side up, but I opened it from the back because there's less hassle. So this is the logo of their brand. Do not accept it, the seal is broken. So yeah, the seal is there, so nothing wrong in there. No foul play, to be precise. That's a good thing. So they do not have a total retail package, but this as a carry case, you guys can see, wow, this is huge. This is like in the size of what is that, Pelican 1060 size, bigger than the 1040 I have. So this is very big, to be precise, very big. And let's see how much stuff there is in it. So how does this open? This is kind of, wow. You guys heard that pressure releases. That's very good, excellent. So this case in itself is kind of worth it. Fully hard case. There is a carry pouch too. This is leather, pure leather, no pleather kind of stuff. They are not playing around with stuff. The cable is in it. The balanced 2.5 mm cable looks very good to me, much more premium than most of the $1,000 IEMs. A handful of $1,000 IEMs. Very good looking cable. We'll look at the cable later. Let's see what else we are getting. So this is sealed. That's kind of strange because now I'm not against this kind of sealing, but then the thing is that accidentally, by mistake, one might damage the packet, damage the accessories inside it, doesn't it? That's a possibility. It's not that it cannot be avoided, but then there are some possibilities that you might end up slashing through some stuff you are not supposed to, but nevertheless they have gone for it. Some alcohol pads. So yeah, you are supposed to wipe it. It will go on tour obviously, so you are supposed to wipe this thing well. These are the earpieces. So let's have a cleaning cloth, some oral definition stickers, couple of stickers, and a kind of small kind of booklet or something like that. Some tips, some generic kind of tips, nothing special in here. Let's have a look at the IEMs. So they told me this is a special kind of black wood that is found in Philippines, but I cannot exactly see the grains here, but I'll take the words for it. I do not mind. But the other side is wood. This is stabilized wood. Looks very good, doesn't it? This IEMs looks excellent. I have no complaints about the IEMs. The size is very small too. 5BA drivers. Pro 5 demo. so that totally makes it clear that this is a tour unit. Looks very good, very good, very small to be precise. So that means this is supposed to be a very comfortable item. This is some silica gel. That's very good. A cleaning tool. I don't know what this is for that this lock maybe, but I do not think we need these things. There's a cleaning tool here. So that's that. This is the unboxing of Oral Definition Pro 5. I believe this is the first unboxing video on the net. Let's take the tip off. So the nozzle is slightly on the larger side, but come on, focus. I do not mind the nozzle being slightly larger. This is a dual bore design. There aren't any more bores here. This is perfectly fine. Dual bore, single bore doesn't matter. If the sound is good, that's enough. Let's take a look at the cable then. Some silica gel again. This is a very good looking cable to be precise. I'm really liking it. This is Lids cable. I do not think this is the generic kind of cable, and excellent looking cable, isn't it? Very premium. If they sell this kind of cable, they might ask 150, even $200 for the cable only. So it's a very good looking, expensive feeling kind of cable. Very supple, not annoying or anything. Even though this one is metal, is not heavy, very lightweight. This too is fairly lightweight. Looks very good to me. The cable is excellent. So this is the unboxing of Oral Definition Pro 5, and I'll be comparing it with a couple of IMs that I have received recently, like the Zen, the Black Hole, and other stuff that I have. I do not have a lot of yeah, I do have the Pola 39, and I'll compare it with that too. So that's it. This is the unboxing of Oral Definition Pro 5. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.